up when I'm in that man.
Get up!
Trust me, homie, I'm not playing. I had a dance floor off the chain. I said,
get up!
I came to bring you that California love and a little New York hate. It's all of the above. I'm not playing, I'm saying I'm off the chain. You niggas better follow instructions. I said, get up! I bow to I fall, I stunt till I drop. I'm off the showroom floor, not the used car lot. You buy a bottle, I buy the bar. I make every other week feel like Mardi Gras. When I get into it, I get into it. Everybody can't do it the way I do it. I make it rain, then the sun come out. A nigga plain, we make the guns come out now. My question is who they gon' blame when I'm at #1 on the Billboard again? Shit trip now, the game done changed since Mike made Thriller and Prince made Purple Rain. I guess I made the kids want slang and NWA made the West Coast bang. Nah, it's just music, man, it's just music. Now get your ass on the dance floor and move it. I have the savoir-faire, I'm the reason everybody here. I say get up, I make it hot in here. Your feet hurting, I really don't care. I said get up, I want to see you move and get all into the groove. I said get up, I'm getting money, man, I really don't care. Let me see you put your hands in the air. I said get up, good. I won't get to know you better. You look good in them jeans and them red stilettos. You got a Billy Cool booty, baby, I wanna drive. See and tell you what your mileage is when I'm inside. I wanna take you for a spin, you know, round and round. Switch gears till your love come down. I take you to the point of no return. If you listen, you learn just how a nigga earn. I got money to burn. While the gap bed place, you drop the bomb on me. It's up and down.